Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you wish to hide your followers or the list of people you are following from other Instagram users? In this video, I will show you how you can do this on your iPhone. Let's go. In general, setting your account to private is the best approach if you want these features hidden from the public. To do this, open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. Next, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Go to Settings, choose Privacy, and then toggle on Private Account. Once your account is made private, anyone who visits your profile will be unable to view your followers and following lists unless he or she follows you. Also, even if the user does, the two lists will remain inaccessible unless you accept his follow request. On the other hand, if you wish to hide your followers or following list from your accepted friends, there is no direct way on how to do this yet. But as a workaround, there are two possible methods you can do in order to hide these lists from certain users. First, simply remove the user as your follower. On your profile page, access your followers list. Look for the certain user and then tap on the Remove button. The other option is to block the user. Once blocked, they won't be able to view any of your profile information. To block a user, go to his profile page, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner and choose Block. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.